Hello, hello. Let's see. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my Facebook Live. My name is Akemi Gary, and I am independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in US. I'm so happy you're joining me today. This is my second Facebook Live. Today, I did earlier to share these explosion card. So I'm back today again and sharing these made with love candy folder. So before we are jumping into the today's project, I just want to go over quickly about Stampin' Up has a group promotion for starter kit right now. So from now to March 2nd, if you join Stampin' Up, which is if you purchase starter kit with $99 and you choose $125 worth of the product from a current catalog or a current product online, and you get our new stamping positioner. This is really cool too. You get this for free. It's included starter kit during February. This is a great to have when you stamp, and you place the stamp in here, and you put like this, so you can stamp exactly the way you want to. So I will show you how to use this positioner in the next week or so. I just received this. I haven't tried it yet, but this is a great tool when you stamp. You love stamping. This is great to have. And the starter kit is a great kit always. You get 25% of the discount right there because you pay $99, you get that $125 worth of product, and then shipping is free, which right there, and you save 11%. So it's a great deal. Don't miss it out. And this month of the product is a painted illusion. This beautiful, colorful designer series paper. It comes with 12 sheets, 3 each of the 4 double-sided designs. And if you spend $75, and you can get this pack of the designer series paper for only $5. All right, February celebrating spring paper pumpkin kit. Subscribe before February 10th. You receive this cute Easter kit, Easter theme kit. Around like the end of this month, between 20 to 25th, around there. And then if you miss that, you receive a March Fluttering Garden paper pumpkin kit, which is Mother's Day theme. It's gonna be beautiful. It looks like I love this color combo here. And don't forget, if you like these paper pumpkins, don't forget to get their add-on dies. These beautiful 4 little dies coordinate with these kits. So it's good to have when you want to do the more expanded your stamp and die collection. Okay, so today's project is from mini catalogs, page 30, Made with Love. It's a Valentine theme. So Valentine is only 7 days away. Well, maybe it's 6 days away. So I'd love to show you this very, very quickly so you don't miss out. And I have all instruction sheets. So leave a comment, say like a candy. Leave a comment in candy. I'll send you the link for the PDF instruction sheet. And I also have the kit to go, which you all material to create these 4 candy folders and then 3 these explosion card in a package. It will be like this. And I will show you the end of this video, what's included. So if you are interested, leave a comment again, so I will send you the link to order the kit. Okay, so let's start. Let's start the project. This is a cute candy folder. It's been out there forever. Some people call it a diaper fold, but to me it's like an origami paper cup. I used to make this when I was little, and it says paper cup. So I put in the water, I try to drink. Oh no, of course, the water starts, leaking from the bottom, but it's always fun. But so you can put the candy here, or you can put the little treat, you can put the tea bags. Some people keep open here and put a name so that you can like a place table setting like this. That's cute too. So I use these punch because I was going to make a lot, so I just want to do a quick job. I use this scallop punch, so which already retired, but if you have this made with love bundles, you can create something like that too. Just made with love bundle. I'm sorry, bundle is endless love bundle. Has a stamp and coordinate its die. You can cut up, and then a little gold arrow you can cut. So this heart is from Build a Bee Punch. This is still available, and I use this heart. This large heart, you can use a little heart to decorate in a candy folder. All right, so let's start. First, you need a 6x6 designer series paper, double side. So you need to decide which side you want to show. So I'm gonna fold the diagonal, create a triangle. Let's use the bone folder to make it nice and crisp. And fold up this point. Just a minute. Okay. Fold up this corner to the center of the other side. Okay. And then bring up other side of the corner, just like that, and then bringing down this flap here, and then it's already, if you put the candy and it's all paper will fold, it doesn't come off. But if you want to secure, you can add a little bit glue here. You don't need a lot, just hold it. So that's a basic fold here. So I just put it aside, and I'm gonna create this tab here. Let's see. Let's bring in my stamp. Again, stamp I use here is already retired. But I just want to have a very simple Happy Valentine's Day stamp. So I use this stamp set, and let's put it in. And I use the real red. This made with love designer series paper. The color is real red, bubble bath, strawberry slush, poppy parade, and one more flirty flamingo. So you can use any of these red and pink. I use this red here. Okay, that's good. Now I use this punch here to cut out. Put the paper from top and line up. Make sure paper is all covered here, and then you just squeeze. Okay. And then I need a real red. Put the paper from top. Here's an oval scallop to the oval, so just line up. Add a tiny bit glue. Here. Let's bring back this. And then a little bit glue here. Look, it just moved. Okay. Let's put the weight here. And then I bring in a Frati Flamingo. Here's a build a bee punch. I just needed this large heart here. For the kit to go, I already punched all those items, so you don't need to worry about. Okay, so I'm gonna use this stamping dimensionals. Add here. And you just add a candy. Do I have extra candy? No, I don't have. I ate all candy. No, I don't have. Yeah. This is a peach flavor Kit Kat I got from Japan. It's really good. So, okay, here it is. So, if you don't have these stamp set and a punch, you can certainly make it something like this, and you can decorate it anywhere you want. So it's just cute to make somebody happy for the Valentines, right? It's cute. This is perfect for the kids to give away the classmates and teachers. All right, let's talk about this my kit, the Made with Love card kit to go. I include 8 sheets of the designer series paper, 6 by 6, 8 of them, and 3 card base, which is real red, Frati Flamingo crumb cake, and then I include 3 envelopes so you can mail, and then 3 coordinated, which is real red and Frati Flamingo. The size is, let me see, 5 and 1/8 and 3 and 7/8. Excuse me. Okay, and then here's a basic white, 5 by 3 and 3/4, and 6 of square of 2 and 3/4, 6 of those. These go inside of the explosion card, and I already cut out all over scallops, and basic white scallops and hearts, and also arrows. It goes here, and I also have the this loose Valentine's assortment, so that you can decorate in the front of the explosion card. Did I show you explosion card? Yes. So right here. These are loose Valentine's assortment. So these are usually we use for making a shakers card. So, but I use the multi-purpose glue to adhere in the cow front and the inside like this. So you can make 3 of those with this kit. So that was kit, and then as I said, these PDF instruction sheet are free. So leave a comment if you like to have the instruction sheet. I will send you the link. And the other card I made was this sweet. This is a completely case from the card sample in the catalogs, but I just changed the color. Just very simple Happy Valentine's card. All those dies. And then do you see that this embossing here? It's cute too. And then I thought I made this one for my husband. It's like a more sharp black and red and a golden accent. It's just so simple, but it's good. Okay, I just went very quickly for these project. I hope you like it, and if you like, please thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Please follow me, and all video going to my YouTube video, my YouTube channel, Everyday Stamping by Akemi Gary. So please subscribe there so you don't miss anything. Okay, I think that's all for today. I did 2 lives today. I hope you are following me, watching me, and leave a comment. I love to hear from you. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today, and see you next time. Bye now.